Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a uniform blouse. First, set up your ironing board and fill your iron with distilled water. Always check the care label on your blouse to determine the correct temperature setting for the fabric. This prevents damage and ensures a smooth, crisp finish. A clean iron is essential for avoiding stains on your garment. Once prepped, begin with the collar, pressing it flat from the center to the edges. Next, tackle the cuffs and sleeves, ensuring they are smooth before moving to the main body. Iron the back of the blouse first, then carefully work on the front panels, navigating around any buttons. This systematic approach helps achieve a wrinkle-free result. For delicate fabrics, a pressing cloth is your best friend, preventing scorch marks and unwanted shine. After ironing each section, immediately hang the blouse on a sturdy hanger. This allows the fabric to cool and set, maintaining its crisp, freshly ironed appearance. A quick final check ensures no small wrinkles were missed. Proper storage is key to keeping your blouse looking sharp. Hang it in a closet away from crowded garments. Regular cleaning of your iron, especially the sole plate, ensures it glides smoothly and prevents transferring any residue to your clothes. For more great deals and to learn about the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.